Working underneath your vehicle with only jack stands can be time-consuming and uncomfortable. That's why portable car lifts have become increasingly popular among home mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're reviewing the VEVOR Portable Car Lift, a heavy-duty lifting system featuring a 7,000-pound lifting capacity, 26.8-inch maximum lifting height, carbon steel construction, a 120 volts hydraulic power unit, and an easy-to-store portable design. But can this lift deliver professional garage performance at home? Let's find out. The VEVOR Portable Car Lift is designed for home garages, repair shops, detailing businesses, and automotive enthusiasts who want safer and more convenient vehicle access. Unlike permanent two-post lifts that require major installation, this portable system offers flexibility while still providing enough lifting power for many passenger cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Its compact design also makes storage easier when the lift isn't in use. The biggest highlight is the 7,000-pound lifting capacity. This allows the lift to handle a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars to many full-size SUVs and light-duty trucks. The hydraulic system raises vehicles to a maximum height of 26.8 inches, creating comfortable access for oil changes, brake jobs, suspension work, tire rotations, and general maintenance. The heavy-duty carbon steel construction provides excellent structural strength while maintaining long-term durability. Power comes from the included 120 volts hydraulic power unit, making operation simple with standard household electrical outlets. The extended length lifting plates improve vehicle compatibility by supporting different wheelbases and lifting points. Its portable design allows users to reposition the lift when necessary instead of dedicating permanent garage space. Safety locking mechanisms help keep the vehicle securely supported while maintenance work is being performed. Overall, the system focuses on combining lifting performance with home garage convenience. In real-world use, the VEVOR Portable Car Lift performs very well for routine automotive maintenance. The hydraulic lifting action is smooth and predictable, while the stable frame provides confidence during repairs. The lifting height offers plenty of working room for most common maintenance tasks without requiring a full commercial vehicle lift. Because the system is portable, it's especially useful for home mechanics who have limited garage space but still want professional-level vehicle access. For routine service work, detailing, inspections, and repairs, this lift offers a significant upgrade over traditional floor jacks. So, is the VEVOR Portable Car Lift worth buying? If you're looking for a practical vehicle lift that combines portability with impressive lifting power, it's definitely worth considering. The combination of a 7,000-pound capacity, 26.8-inch lifting height, heavy-duty carbon steel construction, 120 volts hydraulic power unit, and portable design makes it an excellent solution for home garages and small repair shops. While professional installation isn't required, always follow the manufacturer's safety instructions and ensure the lift is used on a proper level surface. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of automotive tools, garage equipment, workshop machines, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.